What does a Caribbean island in the U.S. Pacific Northwest have in common? The answer? They're both protecting the ocean, just in very different ways. In this video, we'll explore how Aruba and Oregon use marine protected areas, or MPAs, to conserve marine life, support local communities, and adapt to global change. Marine protected areas are parts of the ocean set aside to limit certain human activities, like fishing, anchoring, or development. The goal is to help ecosystems recover and to stay healthy. Some MPAs are strict no-take zones, others allow limited use. Globally, over 8% of the ocean is now under some form of protection, but climate change and pollution still threaten these areas every day. MPAs matter because they protect biodiversity, preserve fish stocks, and make coastal communities more resilient. But not all MPAs are created equal, and that's where comparing Aruba and Oregon gets interesting.
Oregon's coast is home to 5 marine protected areas, including Cape Perpetua and Redfish Rocks. These marine protected areas were created to conserve vital ocean habitats. Cape Perpetua protects lush kelp forests and tide pools, while Redfish Rocks is a no-take zone that shelters species like rockfish and sea stars. However, human impacts like commercial fishing and ocean acidification continue to threaten marine ecosystems. That's where community science comes into play. Local volunteers monitor species and water conditions to help track the ocean's health over time. Oregon also stands out for actively including tribal voices and opinions in their conservation efforts. For example, the Confederated Tribes of Coos, Lower Umpqua, and Sisseton Indians contribute to traditional ecological knowledge to guide sustainable practices. Together, these efforts aim to balance human activity with long-term protection of Oregon's coastal ecosystems.
Aruba currently has 4 marine protected areas: Parque Nacional Arikok, Cerro Colorado, Monte Alto, and Oranjestad, which are known collectively as Parque Marino Aruba. Together, these 4 areas cover almost 15,000 acres of ecosystems which serve as crucial nurseries for marine life. Each marine protected area offers something unique. The beaches in Parque Nacional Arikok are important nesting areas for sea turtles and shorebirds and are home to many coral reefs which provide critical dolphin nurseries. Cerro Colorado is home to coral reefs, seagrass, and mangrove forests, and is ideal for shark and dolphin nurseries as well as conch habitats. Monte Alto also includes coral reefs, seagrass, and mangrove forests. However, this area provides nesting for a diversity of birds, crustacean nurseries, and habitats for conch and parrotfish. Oranjestad is home to more coral reefs and mangroves, making this a marine protected area a good place for sea turtles, shorebirds, sharks, dolphins, and other marine mammal nurseries. The Parque Marino Aruba Conservation Management Plan aims to protect these ecosystems and support the local economy by restoring its habitats, integrating climate strategies, and further protecting these important areas.
While Aruba and Oregon are worlds apart in size and climate, both have established marine protected areas to protect their coastal ecosystems. Oregon protects about 380 square kilometers of ocean along its 584-kilometer coast. Aruba, with only 68 kilometers of shoreline, protects about 60 square kilometers. That's actually more protection per kilometer of coast than Oregon. Aruba shows that even small places can make a big difference in marine conservation. Marine protected areas are more than just boundaries in the ocean. They're spaces that protect culture, food, tourism, and future generations. Whether it's Aruba's coral reefs or Oregon's kelp forests, we're learning that local action can have global impact, especially as climate change accelerates. This project helped us to realize that protecting the ocean isn't just someone else's job, it's ours too. So let's help protect the coast, no matter where you live.